Now comes one of the most interesting part, which is a risk to reward. How much we should take. I mean, see, as a trader, I always keep my risk to reward because I have that experience as well now. I keep the risk to reward according to the trade type I have taken. Now, how I judge my trade, I judge it with momentum, I judge it with order flow, I judge it with volume candles, and then according to it, I make my reward. If I see a little risk of momentum somewhere, I keep my reward less. So to save you guys from this type of movement, I would suggest you stick to the patterns that I have taught you, stick to the structures that I have taught you today, okay, in the last episodes. And for the start, at least for 2 to 3 months, 2 to 3 months, only trade with 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 5 RR. For 3 months, don't take more than 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 5 RR. Okay, that will help you to create a confidence in you, that will help you to create a portfolio for yourself. You will also be able to see after these 3 months how much money you have actually made with this risk to reward ratio only. Once you have the confidence, once you have gained the experience of small risk to reward ratios, then you can go for the home run. Home run is like 1 is to 12, 1 is to 13, and you understand the trend very good. You understand how to catch the lowest point as well or the highest point as well, and then your risk to reward will be perfect. So 1 is to 3, as you understand, right? If I risk $100 here, 3x of my $100 I will be getting here, which will become 300. This is not aggressive trading, correct? 1 is to 5. If I risk $100 in my stop loss, this is how it should be calculated. 5x means $500 is the amount which I should be getting after my TP is hit here, right? So this is how you should calculate it, not in the terms of leverage, that I have taken 50 leverage and I have taken a very big trade. No, it does not matter. What matters is how much money you are risking in your stop loss. That is what matters. And if you're taking 1 is to 3 RR, if you're risking $100, you should get $300 as your profit. Wherever the market is going should not matter for you. But according to your trade plan, the market is moving. That is what should matter for you. All right.